Okay, so what we are studying? Revenue expenditure. Ebe bujhile Suman revenue expenditure ka kundi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the revenue expenditure, revenue receipt from what definition, just I am saying you, the revenue receipt are the receipts which do not create any liability for the government or do not lead to any deduction for the taxes or deduction of the asset. Okay. Now, if a revenue receipt सदाबले मन रख एटी हमर ना asset create होची ना हमर asset किछि जाउची ना हमर government को किछि liability होची. What do you understand by asset and liability?
Ma'am, liability means what is मैम जोटा दबा को पड़िबो जोटा कर्ज अछि assets means जोटा जिंस अछि ता
Yeah, I'm
yes
better
ma'am.
is a laptop. This laptop is my asset, okay? But the loan that I have took to buy my laptop is my liability.
That was liability. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
understood? Liability का वो asset meaning बुझी असला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Receipt रे हमर केबे भी लिया एठी किछि receipt जो गवर्नमेंट नउछि टैक्स जो नउछि तार किछि liability create होछि की?
No ma'am.
तार किछि asset रो जाउछि की? तार किछि पळेला की गवर्नमेंट रा किछि नहीं गले की?
No, ma'am.
No
So always
ma'am.
revenue receipt does not create any liability, neither reduce any asset. Okay, government रो किछि asset जाउनी कि ना government रो किछि liability होछि. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
तुम्हारा बहुत easy अछि रे. तुम्हारा revenue budget is very easy in your course. Revenue expenditure be neither reduce any asset nor create any liability. Your revenue expenditure. Okay, revenue expenditure are those expenditure which neither create any asset nor reduce any liability. तुम्हारा asset रो किछि गला कि तमर सैलरी जो मिलला सैलरी तो तमे देई थांतो, that is nothing. Your asset रो government asset रो किछि जाउची? No. Government रो liability किछि create होउची? No. So there is no creation of asset or liability in expenditure as well. Okay. Okay. Now we will read about capital budget. The capital budget किए मते कहबो कोन होबा? Very common sense. एबे ही मुझे लिखि दिले एठी. Common sense use करो, common sense use करो. ओडी
Yes,
खाई
ma'am.
जुजु.
Budget, ma'am.
And the things which are present with the government.
Capital budget. What will be the simple definition?
Ma'am, capital budget is equals to capital receipt plus capital expenditure.
Very good. Just add one word. Estimated capital receipt plus estimated
Plus
capital
expenditure. Okay, ma'am.
Estimated word. Use just estimated capital. कौन पे estimation होचे? I'll explain it right now. Okay, your capital budget is estimated capital receipt plus estimated capital expenditure. This is for your, हठात से तुमको इधर के पचरिबो, हठात से तो mind रे, sometimes some students do not able to frame करिया को ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ sentence it becomes little difficult. So for that also, and तम जदि एटा लेखिबो भी, the examiner will understand that you have guys have understood the concept really well. That's why जे concept ना बुझिथिबो सी एटा लेखि परिबो नाही. So that student will always go for the bookish line, Rajaghosa Vidya, but more opinion re my whole lifetime I have found out Rajaghosa Vidya तुमको बेसी बात नहीं की जाई परिबो नहीं. It's not for your long term planning. आजी घोष देबो काली भूल जिबो. And when this question will be asked in your job interviews, most probably when your job interview हबनी की your Rajaghosa Vidya तमर सेठी जरा पड़ जियो सब. Okay, so Rajaghosa Vidya spoon feeding thing, avoid those things. I will suggest you from my side spoon feeding wala jo notes ma'am diyantu. This thing, okay, teachers can give you notes and everything, but गोटे स्टूडेंट रो प्लस पॉइंट जेतेबेले से निजे पढ़ी कि निजे बाहर करिवो जे डेफिनेशन ने मु बाहर कर दे. गोटे लाइन मु पढ़ी देली, what is capital budget, can't I write it from my own? Obviously the examiner which is checking, he will also understand कि ना पिलाटा निजे मनरु लिखछि जहा बुझछि लेखिया पे ट्राई करछि. So this thing is going to help you in your future aspect. Okay, तमर जेते बेले future रे तमे जेते बेले job interviews दबो, life ए जो exam studies रे sorry one, life will be very different when you join any jobs, when you go for any interviews. There will be much more students who have not who are very smart, and they have not may not have scored well in the exams but are smart, and they will outshine there. So life will test you at the moment when you will get tested for. Okay, and this will end you will understand, but what I'm trying to tell you people is try to understand from your own. निजे पढ़ी की बुझी की चेष्टा कर. Always teachers are there to help you, no doubt, but try to create something of your own. जेतବେଳେ निजे चेष्टा करिवो किछि बनिया पे हाफ बाट पे जाओ, then half बाट तुम टीचर नहीं कि तुमको पढ़ाबो. There is no issue, but this will help you in a long term basis. I always look for long term plans, so this is a long term plan from my suggestion. Okay. Okay, now we will understand what is capital budget. Capital budget is an account as well as the liabilities of the central government which takes into consideration changes in the capital, is the statement of estimated capital receipt and the estimated capital expenditure during a fiscal year. Okay, now our estimation of our capital माने कौन रे? Country capital. The capital विषय को जामे.
Ma'am, capital is basically, ma'am, in simple we can say money.
Okay. Now, why it is listed estimated capital receipt? Government will always apply, or government will always try to find out its capital budget from the capital estimated receipt. हमर केते estimation government उटे estimation करतो है ना, यही जाकर हम यही taxes आने वाला अच्छी तो यही टाउच हमर estimation. This is your estimated capital receipt. Estimated capital expenditure कौन? हमको यही जाकर यही टा दबार अच्छी. That is your estimated capital expenditure. Okay, understood? या माने slightly बुझे आसिला किछि.
Yes, ma'am.
बुझे आसिला. Estimation काई word use होची. Capital is always, you know, it is capital budget माने कोन? आमे ओटे किछि plan करूचे budget पई. हमर केते आसीबो से जो केतेटा आमे estimate करबा जे हमहु एई पाखरु पैसा आसर. गवर्नमेंट भी तो plan करथो ना, एई हेड रु तको पैसा आसर अछि. टैक्स हे जाओ, फाइन हे जाओ, पेनल्टी हे जाओ, जा भी हे जाओ. एटा हमर estimation capital आसुची माने capital receipt. जीवो माने हमर salary केते केते हेड रे जीवो.
Expenditure.
Estimation थिबो, गोटे estimation थिबो कि एई हेड रे. Suppose now, are you people aware कि there are different disability schools also there in our country?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, my mother is a teacher in a disability section. Okay, she teaches the deaf and dumb students. Okay. Now, how they get their salary? They come from the treasury ru ase. Now, what does that mean? Treasury ru ase माने कौन? Treasury को जितने बड़े पैसा आसीबो सेबे तांको जेई salary मिलबो. That means government रो जितने बड़े तांको पाको treasury को sanction होबो, से treasury तांको पाको पैसा आसीबो. Simple. एटा होचे simple बुझे आसला एपन तो मुझा का चेष्टा करची.
Yes, ma'am.
प्लान करूथबो ना नहीं कि एई एस्टिमेटेड रे हमको एतिकी सैलरी दबार अछि. डिसेबिलिटी सेक्शन रे पे जेतिकी भी स्कूल अछि, तार जेतिकी भी टीचर अछन, they would get salary, सेवन सैलरी पाउथबे all the time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
salary. Now that salary what estimation hobo, so that estimation is a capital expenditure because that is expenditure for the government. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ila capital budget माने कौन?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now तमर जदी asset एठी हमर capital budget रे हमर government रो asset और liability create होउची. The main differentiation between, if anyone asks you ever in the class or your teacher or anything, what is the differentiation between the capital budget and revenue budget? Revenue budget रे asset liability केबे भी create हबारो नहीं. Capital budget रे asset liability create हबो ही हबो. बुझी पारलो?
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
टिके again कहि दियंतु.
liability. What is the difference between revenue budget and capital budget, Suman?
Ma'am, yesterday I was absent in the class.
I haven't taught capital revenue budget. I have completed your revenue yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. I was not there absent because of network issue.
I am starting budget today?
यस मैम मैम नेटवर्क एटी पाउनी तो गाँ रे सेति पाई मैम काली मु क्लास टा टिके करि पारलिनी
Okay, fine, no problem. But kali class to aji class ro kichi link nahi baba. Okay, see, your difference between your capital budget and your revenue budget is, in your revenue budget, there is no creation of asset or liability. How I have explained you few moments back. कि हमारा
Yes,
revenue
ma'am.
किसी भी create हमारा asset होनी. But in capital budget, there is a creation of asset and liability. Okay, how? If government is going to estimate कि मते गोटे एबे land procure करेर अछि. Procure means buy. Government is buying a land for the welfare of the people भी हो. सेठी गोटे कोन हबो ना government school हबो. Okay. Now government school जो होउची सो गोटे माने गोटे एरिया रे government school होउची केमती होउची government ने को भी land रे एमती कर देबो बाडे देबो घर बाडे देबो ही जो school.
No, ma'am.
So for that what does he need?
Ma'am, that must be a government land. But means government should buy that land and then it can
That will turn
do
into a
anything.
government land.
Government land, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So for that land buying process, it is a asset creation already on asset create ala.
Yes, ma'am.
यस
Now
मैम
सबुबले government पाखरे पैसा थाई. Do you guys think government
No, ma'am.
No, government takes also loan. Government takes
Loan,
loan.
yes,
According to your, according to your, government take loan. RBI on the Friday has transferred 99,1122 crore to the Indian government. Okay, and decision was taken on 5/8/9 of RBI director meeting. Okay, and government has now taken 99,122 crore rupees from the RBI, and the decision was taken by RBI board members on the board meeting on 5/8/9 meeting of RBI. And this news was published on Economic Times on Friday, May 21, 2021, to be exact. Okay. Now एबे जो से नेला ए जो लोन ता से नेला एटा कोन तब आरबीआई खुशी खुशी दे देला आ केबे मागिबोनी.
No, ma'am.
जेटा लोन लेला पे करिया को पड़िबो
Liability ହେଲା ना नहीं.
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम
Yes,
So
ma'am.
ହେଲା ना creation liability of asset ହେଲା create ହେଲା. बुझी
Yes,
ଆସିला
ma'am.
बुझी ଆସିला capital budget माने कोन.
यस
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, one doubt.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Ma'am, in revenue expenditure, ma'am, revenue expenditure, ma'am, there will be salary, wages, or welfare. In
No,
under,
not
ma'am,
only
if
other aspects also. Yeah.
ma'am, yes, ma'am, ma'am, if ma'am, ma'am, just for example, take government have that much money to pay salary or welfare or wages, ma'am, so it will apply for a loan.
Why do you apply for a loan?
Ma'am, for in case the government haven't enough money to pay for salary or
See,
wages.
first government plans a budget. Okay. There is a budget
ma'am.
allocated to certain head. So education sector को certain head, certain paisa allocate ହେଇଛି.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you run out, when the government run out of options of the budget, माने हम budget जति के allocate ହେଇଥିଲା तार पैसा सॉरी कि आउरी हमको दरकार आसलानी. There I will
Yes, ma'am.
we will read now types of budget. Okay. ସେଥିରେ ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କହିବି. Okay. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତ ଦରକାର ଯେତେବେଳେ government ପାଖରେ total ନାହିଁ government କୁ ଆଉ ଦରକାର ସେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇନା government ଯିବ. ଯେତେବେଳେ government ପାଖରେ budget ଅଛି budget ଟା ଅଛି ବୋଲି budget ଟାକୁ ସେ ମାନେ ଆମର planning କଣ ପାଇଁ ହଉଛି budget ର? To get an estimation.
Yes, ma'am.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର estimation amount ବଢି ଯାଉଛି then only na government will go for the loan. Otherwise, if
Yes,
there is
ma'am.
no need, why would anyone take a liability upon themselves? Even ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. Why would take a 50 lakh loan from SBI? Why would I take ମତେ loan ମାନେ liability? I am enjoying a liability. Nobody enjoys a liability, na?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
why would government take? When there is certain need. See, this is also a very political and ୟା ଭିତରେ ବି ବହୁତ ସାରା ପାଠ ଅଲଗା ପାଠ ଅଛି. There are different things goes on. କେତେବେଳେ କଣ estimation ହେଇଥିବ କୁଆଡେ ଯାଇ ନଥିବ ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ତ ଭିତର ଜିନିଷ is very deep. We are not going to go into that much deeper. We will read overall to get our knowledge.
Okay,
कि
ma'am.
government पाखरे पैसा नଥାଏ, it goes for a loan. So government takes a liability. So in capital budget, your liability is created. Now say जो से loan टा आनला, से पैसे रे से उटा asset टा किन देला, land है जाओ, building है जाओ, जोत पे भी LIC में LIC रे भी building shortage अच्छी, भुवनेश्वर है. Now government has decided to buy a building for LIC. Now that is an asset. It a government asset.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
पैसे जो loan टा that is a liability. Okay. So say it ना ये government, your finance minister will decide when the government has to take a loan. Okay, we are not that person. आमे सत्य की बुद्धि हमारा है नहीं. We are not into that much. कि हमें बुझ पर है जी कितना कौन है. It is very different zone, but we will read it over again. हमें सत्य की बुझेगा तो हम सत्य की बुझे ना. Okay, so capital budget is created, and capital budget is where your asset and liability are created. Revenue budget is the where your asset and liability are not created. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now हमारे revenue expenditure, budget expenditure अच्छी. Budget expenditure is the total estimated expenditure of the government on its development and non-development programs during a fiscal year. During a fiscal year माने during a financial year. एटा expenditure मु तुम केबे कहउतली budget expenditure कोन? तुमको कहउतली budget expenditure कोन? जे तमरो जति की money हमरो spend होची जेटा तो budget expenditure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, तो हमें revenue expenditure भी पढ़ ले, हमें capital expenditure भी पढ़ ले. Revenue expenditure कौन? Salary, wages. Capital expenditure कौन? What is the capital expenditure? Purchase of land, building, purchase of share of any companies. Government तो हमारे एबे companies रो गोटे share किनला. गोटे धरकर certain companies रो government एबे चाहूची share किना पे. तो किनला. That is what? Capital expenditure कौन पे?
Capital expenditure.
Asset create हला. Share किनला माने share भी गोटे asset ना, share गोटे asset नो.
Yes, ma'am. Asset.
हमर बट किछि एक्सपेंडिचर भी हला. एक्सपेंडिचर माने कोन? गवर्नमेंट किछि पैसा दे तापर गिनला न गवर्नमेंट के मागणा देतो के. Nobody gives
No,
anyone
ma'am.
anything. Okay, so this is your capital expenditure. Revenue expenditure, capital expenditure बुझिलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will read about types of budget.
मैम रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर टा टिके आउथरे बुझे देबे.
Revenue receipt माने कोन?
मैम मो पे
एबा गोतली बुडी बोली खाई गलो.
Ma'am, tax, penalties, and fines.
Yeah, that is your revenue receipt. Very good. And revenue expenditure is your salary, wages,
Salaries, wages, ma'am, welfare.
welfare. These are your revenue expenditure. एबे receipt रे पैसा मिलला. मो कथा सुनी सर. receipt रे गवर्नमेंट को पैसा मिलला. से पैसा टाको से को पार्ट रे खर्च कला माने कोन? दिस इज योर एक्सपेंडिचर से को हेड रे कला, सैलरी रे कला, वेज रे कला, वेलफेयर रे कला. And there are also lot of many things, but these three are more easy to understand. That's why I'm telling you these things. Okay, मुझे इसला revenue expenditure माने.
Ma'am, then what is the difference between revenue receipt, revenue expenditure, and capital receipt, capital expenditure? Ma'am, then what is the difference?
मुझे छक्का खाइला वाला क्वेश्चन टा पचारलु मते सुमन. Your difference lies in your word. Difference टा तो receipt of expenditure रे word रे लेखा ही है. Just give me a
Yes.
moment. Just give me a
Yes.
moment. हाँ, hello, sorry, yeah. तू पुणी छक्का खाइला वाला क्वेश्चन टा पचारलु सुमन. हो, ठीक अछि. Revenue receipt, revenue expenditure ଭିତରେ difference कोन? तू सेटा पचारलु तो?
No, ma'am. मैम मु पचारले मैम रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट आउ रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर आउ कैपिटल रिसिप्ट कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर मैम ए दीटा जो डिफरेंस.
तो हमारा रेवेन्यू रिसीप्ट और रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर रे कैपिटल एसेट और लिएबिलिटी क्रिएट हो नहीं. दिस इज योर मेजर डिफरेंस. and your in capital receipt and capital expenditure रे तोर एठी asset create और liability create होची बुझिलु मेजर
Okay.
कॉन्सेप्ट टा बुझ जे रेवेन्यू रिसीप्ट टा तोर माने कोन आसिला रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर माने गला कैपिटल रिसीप्ट टा तोर कोन होची एस्टिमेशन होची जे केते आसीबो कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर टा कोन एस्टिमेशन होची केते जीवो मेजर डिफरेंस कोन एठी एसेट लायबिलिटी क्रिएट होउनी सेठी एसेट लायबिलिटी क्रिएट होउची चलला
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the types of budget, okay? Types of budget रे हमर अछि बोधे हां बहुत इजी सॉरी हला बैलेंस्ड अनबैलेंस्ड अनबैलेंस्ड दीटा अछि सरप्लस डेफिसिट ओके ना बैलेंस बजेट कोन बैलेंस बजेट होची एटा जत्ते बेले तमर एस्टिमेटेड रिसिप्ट ऑफ एस्टिमेटेड गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर इक्वल होतो सेते बेले तमर जे गोटे बैलेंस आसीबो बैलेंस बजेट माने कोन जत्ते बेले मु जा एस्टिमेट करिछि आ जहा मोर एक्सपेंडिचर एस्टिमेटेड एक्सपेंडिचर जोटा मोर गवर्नमेंट जडा एस्टिमेट करिछि जे एतिकी आसीबो आ गवर्नमेंट जोटा एस्टिमेट करछि एतिकी जीवो समान हबो ताल जेंगी ना बैलेंस हबो बैलेंस बजेट हबो
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
नहीं बुझि आसला
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unbalanced कोन जत्ते बेले तमर एस्टिमेशन गवर्नमेंट रिसिप्ट इज नॉट इक्वल टू एस्टिमेटेड गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर गवर्नमेंट
Government
एस्टिमेट
expenditure.
जत्ते एस्टिमेट करथिले एक्सपेक्ट करथिले जे एतिकी मोर रिसिप्ट आसीबो आसिलेनी एक्सपेंडिचर जे एक्सपेक्ट करथिले सेति गलेन ताटो अधिक गला तो इट इज अनबैलेंस्ड ओके अंडरस्टूड
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके नाउ योर सरप्लस बजेट जत्ते के गवर्नमेंट एस्टिमेट करथिला ताटो अधिक रिसिप्ट ताको मिलेला ताले एटा कोन होची सरप्लस हे गेला बजेट जत्ते कि मु एक्सपेक्ट
Surplus.
करथिली मते 10 टा मिलियो मते 20 टा मिलले माने सरप्लस हला ना
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मु एक्सपेक्ट करथिली 10 टा मिलियो मते 2 टा मिलुची डेफिसिट
Yes, ma'am.
जत्ते कि एस्टिमेट करथिली रिसिप्ट रे सेति कि मिलिलानी
That to come.
कम मिलिला तो
Yes,
हला
ma'am.
मोर डेफिसिट
yes, ma'am.
कौन थिला अधिका टाइप रे so so easy your budget is not at all difficult in your course when okay now in a surplus you can always write it like this when your receipt is I always I always tell you people to write it like I always write it like this ताकि तुम ना गोटे थर जेतबे एग्जाम हॉल को जाऊ जाओ सेते बेले you guys would understand गोटे थर देखिले जे हां हां एटा होची एटा तो एटा जल्दी भी जाइसो एबे मु या साइन टा चेंज कर देबी when your receipt is more than expenditure it is a surplus when your receipt is less than expenditure it is a deficit बुझि आसला
Yes, ma'am.
एकात्र देखले बुझि आसीबो
Yes, ma'am.
okay now there are certain formulas okay तमर किछटा फॉर्मूला अछि बही रे फॉर्मूला अछि रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट पई ओके हमर केते डेफिसिट हला रेवेन्यू रे हमें केमी जानिबा हमें जानिबा रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट okay I'll write it in short form okay revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt okay but do not write in the exam in the short form for explanation I'm explaining you in short form okay yeah तो हम रेवेन्यू केते डेफिसिट हे हम केम जानिबा हमर केते जाईची केते मिलिथिला को माइनस कर देले मिलि जिवो ना केते हमको केते डेफिसिट होची
Yes, ma'am.
हला आ गोटे तमर फार्मूला अछि डेफिसिट बजेट बजेट रे केते डेफिसिट अछि केमी जानिबा टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस टोटल रिसिप्ट केते जाईची केते मिलिथिला ताले जानि पारे ना बजेट रे टोटल केते डेफिसिट अछि हमें एटा रेवेन्यू रे डेफिसिट केते अछि बाहर करे पे एटा फॉर्मूला यूज करे हमें बजेट रे केते डेफिसिट अछि जानि पे केम यूज करिया टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर केते रे हम जाईची गवर्नमेंट को केते जाईची गवर्नमेंट को केते आसीची हेले आसीजो ना रेवेन्यू हमर डेफिसिट बजेट जानि पारे हमें आ गोटे फॉर्मूला अछि हमर प्राइमरी डेफिसिट तो हमारे यहाँ फॉर्मूला है फिस्कल डेफिसिट is it minus interest payment एटा तमर कोन बुझिचंदी तम कॉलेज रो कोन बुझिचंदी एटा व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्राइमरी डेफिसिट
मैम आई डोंट नो
मैम
तम माने बुझि नै दिछि
नो मैम हमारो जस्ट ओनली मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स ऑफ अनबैलेंस्ड बजट जाई जाई
ओके तमर प्राइमरी डेफिसिट मानने होची द डिफरेंस बिटवीन योर करंट इयर्स फिस्कल डेफिसिट ओके करंट ईयर रे हमर केते फिजिकल डेफिसिट हेची तारो एंड इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट ऑन प्रीवियस बोरोइंग माने गवर्नमेंट जति की इंटरेस्ट दोउची तारा प्रीवियस बोरोइंग रे किछ लोन आंची सेतरे केते की से दोउची इंटरेस्ट ओके एंड तमर करंट ईयर रे फिजिकल डेफिसिट केते होची फिजिकल डेफिसिट माने भी के बुझे नै दी
नो मैम
मैम
okay 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 just give me a moment I'm seeing it is there in a book or not I have seen it's not there also तमर एटा कोर्स नै रे
fiscal deficit I think nahi ma'am book रे
nothing government your fiscal deficit is nothing but a shortfall in your government spending government's income compared to the expenditure okay it's a nothing a definition is also not much very big your fiscal deficit is your shortcoming in your government's income than expenditure माने तमरा government income ता तमरा expenditure सहित match करू नाही shortcoming होची माने short पडुची किछि income ता तमरा short पडुची expenditure को बुझ पाला माने expenditure अधिका अछि your income is less so there is a shortcoming in that so that is your fiscal deficit okay
okay ma'am yes ma'am
yeah okay now this much sarla tom revenue sarla sir tom budget sarla kichhi nahi tom budget it's not tough you just need to remember the basic things then that's clear example ro mane rakho then it will be clear okay your budget is over okay then I will see you next week Saturday okay bye
yes ma'am
okay
bye
Thank
enjoy
you,
your day. Bye
thank you ma'am
bye thank you bye